This is John with WATI. And even though I get a soda from time to time, to freshen it out, I was tasting this crushed strawberry soda, and let me tell you something. I've never had strawberry soda before, and the experience with this has been really nice. So with one of my meals, I always like to get a soda or sparkling water or things like that, but this guy here has a great flavor. It's not going to be too sugary, which is something that I like. Most of the sodas that I ever had is just like, too much sugar, or too much artificial flavor. This is actually tastes really nice. And the fact that you can go and take it, drink it out cold with one of your meals or share with one of your friends, it's overall a great experience. And it's different because this is a flavor I have never had before with a soda. So if you just want to have it straight or maybe mix it with a cocktail or something like that, it will do the work. So this was John with WATI, and that was my point of view.